This video is going to explain partial quotients, which is a division algorithm. And the reason we use partial quotients when children are first beginning to learn multi-digit division is because it allows for greater flexibility with solutions. And it allows for many solutions for one problem. So the kids can use what they do know to help them figure out an unknown. So in class, we've been working with area models a lot, and the kids know that if you have 386 divided by 6, you can turn that into an area model. Your area model is that inside the total area is 386, one length is 6, and you're trying to figure out this missing length. Now, you can say to yourself, well, I know, and we're trying to find this quotient right here. Right? So in essence, we're trying to find the answer or the quotient in pieces or in parts. That's why it's called partial quotients. So you can say, I know that 6 times 60 is 360. Okay, so altogether I have 360 in my area model right now, and I have 26 remaining. So I can say to myself, well, 6 times 4 is 24, and now I have 384 in my total area with 2 remaining of that 386. So because you can't make any more equal groups of 6, you know that you're done because there's only 2 left. 2 do not fit evenly into that area. So your answer, part of your quotient is 60, the other part is 4, so altogether it's 64 with a remainder of 2. Okay. Now, if the kids don't know their basic facts as efficiently, they might do this. You could also do, if I've got 386 divided by 6, they most likely know that 6 times 5 is 30. So they know that 6 times 50 is 300. So you've got your 386 still, but now you're only taking away 300 because you did 6 times 50. And there's 86 remaining. Well, they know that 6 times 10 is 60 with 26 remaining. So they know they can do another 4, which would be, here's your 60, here's your 24, and that leaves you with 2 remaining again. So again, in parts, you found that 50 plus 10 plus 4, those partial quotients, equals 64 with a remainder of 2. Okay. Now again, you could even do it another way. You could do this 386 divided by 6. So you could say 6 times 50 is 300 again. So you've got 386 minus 300. So you're left with 86. You have 86 remaining. You could do 6 times 10, which is 60, and you've got 26 remaining. Now, if you don't know that 6 times 4 is 24, you could say, well, I know 6 times 2 is 12, which leaves you with 14. And you could do 6 times 2 again, subtract another 12, and you've got 2 remaining. So you have the same thing. You've got 50 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2, which equals 64 with a remainder of 2. Okay, so really, the kids can use any multiplication fact that they know to help them figure out these partial quotients, or the parts to the answer, which allows for that greater flexibility in thinking and the ability for kids to use what they do know to help them with what they don't know yet.